Today let's learn how to delete Spotify account. If for any reason if you're trying to delete or remove your Spotify account, then in this video let me show you how it's done. This is going to be a step-by-step process, so make sure you follow along. With that said, let's get right into the video. Open up your Spotify app and then tap on the settings on the top right. From the settings menu, you just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have an option called support. Once you tap on support, it's going to open up your default web browser and it's going to take you to support.spotify.com. From here, all you need to do is tap on the search bar and search for closing your account. Once you search for this, the first option that you'll get is closing your account and deleting your data. You can tap on this option and it's going to take you to the deletion page. Now, either if you have a premium account of Spotify, you'll need to tap on this first link which says closing your data and deleting your account. But if you don't have premium, you'll need to tap on this link which is below. So choose the link depending upon which type of account that you have. The interface might look different if you have the premium account. So tap on close account. It's going to show you your username and a few other stuff. Tap on continue. Select I understand and tap on continue. Now an email will be sent to the email address that is linked with your Spotify account. So let's quickly head over to the email. So I've just received this email from Spotify, which is the account closure request. So if I tap on close my account, the request to delete my account will be successfully sent. So all you need to do is just tap on close my account, and again Spotify will send you a confirmation link, and along with that they will also send you a link of activation. If you choose to reactivate your account within the 7-day period of them sending the link, you can easily do that, but if you don't, your account will be deleted. So that is the step-by-step process of deleting your Spotify account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.